Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I'm part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to enable SSL debug mode for troubleshooting CDI mappings. As a part of today's presentation, we'll be covering on this agenda: overview, steps on enabling SSL debug mode for CDI mappings, followed by the demo. Now let's see on overview. The main goal is to identify and resolve SSL related problem that occurs during the secure communication and CDI jobs. To do this, we enable the SSL debug flag just by adding under the JVM option of data integration server DTM. If we need deeper insight, we can extend it just by adding the verbose on the same flag, which will print the detailed information on the logging. Once the mapping is executed with this flag, the job runs in SSL debug mode. This generates the detailed logs of the entire SSL handshake process, including certificate validation steps and any potential SSL communication failure. This method is especially helpful when troubleshooting SSL error in CDI mappings that interact with secure external services or involve encrypted communication between the machines. By enabling SSL debug mode, we can get the complete visibility into what's happening behind the scenes during the SSL negotiation. Now let's see on demo on how we can enable the SSL debug logging for CDI mappings. Log into IDMC console and open the administrator page. Under this page, select the runtime environment which is used for running the problematic CDI mappings. Now click on edit and here the service you should select as a data integration server and type as DTM. So under any JVM option, you can add the SSL debug flag. For example, I'm adding in JVM option 2. Click on this edit icon and under the single quotes, you need to update the SSL debug flag like this. Once this is updated, click on save. And once this is saved successfully, it will spawn up the new version of the DIS under the agent machine. So you can see the new version of DIS is on the starting of the stage. So once this is in up and running state, you can just rerun the problematic CDI mappings for debugging the SSL issue. So now once the new version of DI has come into the up and running state, you can just go to your problematic mapping and rerun that mapping. So this is my problematic mapping. I'll just click on run after enabling the SSL debug flag. Select the runtime environment where you have enabled the SSL debug flag. Click on run. Click on my jobs. And here you should see the job in the starting stage. Monitor the job if it is success or failed and review the session log for the SSL debug messages. My mapping is in running state. Mapping is successful. Let's download the session log. So in this session log, you will see the SSL debug messages added in this session log. So here you can see the handshake messages. So in this way, you will be able to enable the SSL debug mode for CDI mapping, and you can share this session log to Informatica support for further investigation on any SSL issue. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.